Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be upgrading this Dell Inspiron 16 model 7610. If you're interested to increase your RAM, this video is going to guide you through from start to finish on how to upgrade DDR4 RAM on your Dell laptop. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Kind of take a look at the model here. If you take a look at the back of your laptop, you should be able to identify the model that says is P107F. That is the model, or the Inspiron 16 model 7610. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do, get a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove the screws and remove the back cover. Okay, so start right here in the middle. So you're going to pay attention to this, the top left corner screw, they do not come off, as well as the top right corner screw here, they do not come off. All they do is just stay there, and you just want to loosen up the screw and hear the clicking noise. That's when you need to stop. There are 4 screws at the bottom. Go ahead and remove all of the 4 screws. Once I've removed the 4 screws, let's go ahead and pry it open. I'll be using a plastic prying tool. The screw does not come off. What it does is it opens up and gives you a little gap here where you can go ahead and stick in the plastic prying tool to kind of start prying it open just like that. Okay, once you have it pry open, you can go ahead and slide it up and lift it up and remove the entire back cover. At this point here, you're going to see the 2 RAM slot. This is the first DDR4 RAM slot, and this is the second DDR4 RAM slot. If you peel the this plastic here back, you can see that the RAM is already installed. And if you peel it back, you can see the 2 RAMs already installed. What you need to do is to go ahead and push the 2 side corner here and just pop right open on the RAM at 45-degree angle. Push the both side, let it pop open, and then just slide it out. If you take a look here, it says RAM 8GB, PC4, and this is 8GB PC4, so 16GB total on both sides. What you can do is you can add 16 and 16. You can upgrade this laptop up to 32 gigs of RAM. All right, so let's just assume this is the 16GB of RAM. What you want to do is you want to slide it in, making sure that making sure the gap is matching the slot here. So the slot here, you can see that there's a little hole that you need to match. So try to match it up just like that at 45-degree angle. Okay, once you push it all the way in, you can use in the middle and then push it down. And you can see that the bolt clipper on the side, it's going to lock it in and hold the RAM. Let's try on the other side. Making sure you match that gap to the slot right in the center and push it in. And the bolt clipper would clip in and covers up the to hold on to the RAM. That's pretty much it. The next step is to go ahead and put the cover back together. So what you want to do is you want to align here on the top first. Here I want to slide it in, making sure that the plastic goes in first, like such. Okay, once it's aligned, what you want to do is to try to press it down on the corner, and followed by the one here on the very bottom. They kind of like snap on back together, and then have all the screws to put it back in. Okay, that's pretty much it. You do not have to configure any of the RAM. Once you insert 16 and 16 is 32. When you turn on the computer should say, hey, the RAM have changed. Right now it's running at the 32 gigabytes of RAM. If you're not sure where to buy the RAM, what I'll do is I'll link it down in the description below where you can check it out either Amazon or eBay. I'll direct you directly to the website and get you the right RAM. And this is a DDR4 RAM for the laptop. And again, if you like the video, please go ahead and smash the like button. If you want to show your appreciation on the video, please check out the YouTube Super Thanks. To share the gratitude and support the work I do and also the channel. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best. Good luck and bye now.